Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Midwest Safety. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a routine conversation between a motorcycle officer and a construction worker quickly takes a turn when the officer spots a speeding rider flying down the highway. From there, a pursuit unfolds that doesn't end the way most people would expect. The breakdown starts now. What makes motorcycle stops different is how quickly the situation can change. An officer may think the rider is preparing to cooperate, but until the bike is fully stopped and the interaction begins, there's still a lot that's unknown.
Won't stop. I didn't say you were speeding.
Sorry, dude. Please don't want to go through that. I didn't do that, man. I was not speeding, sir.
Turn it off.
Just as the officer is closing the gap, the situation starts to shift. Moments like this force officers to reassess in real time, because what looked straightforward a second ago may be turning into something much different. This is one of those moments where the officer is trying to regain control of an already unstable situation. The longer the rider avoids complying, the fewer options remain, and you can sense the urgency starting to build.
Pull over! Pull over!
At this point, the motorcycle officer has lost visual contact with the rider, which changes the dynamic completely. That's why other units are stepping in now. Once one officer loses the advantage, coordinated efforts become much more important to keeping track of the situation.
Can you describe the motorcycle?
It's a black motorcycle, a guy in a black jacket. He did have gloves on. It looked like he was reaching for the gun to turn around and point it at me, but he ended up tossing it. I'm looking for it.
He just tossed another baggie. He's pulling over right now.
1033. 23. I did pull it next to him.
At this point, the chase is over. But that doesn't mean the situation is. For a lot of people, this is when the reality of everything that just happened starts to sink in.
Pull over, so it's going to be
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resistant, please. Please stop.
I got this hand. I got cuffs.
Please stop. I'm not resistant, sir.
Kilo 6 for 10-12. 1 to 10.
Hello.
Back so you threw a baggie
God,
just right before you stopped.
Please stop, please.
Stop crying. Holy shit. You did this to yourself.
The pursuit ultimately came to an end with the rider being taken into custody after officers were able to bring the situation under control. According to authorities, he was booked into the Marion County Jail on multiple charges related to the incident, including fleeing and eluding, drug possession offenses, evidence tampering, firearm-related charges, and several traffic violations. Records show he later posted a combined bond of $35,000 and entered a not guilty plea. The case remains in the pre-trial phase. Encounters like this highlight how quickly a single decision can change the course of an entire situation. What began as a speeding violation eventually required coordination between multiple units and led to a much more serious outcome than the original stop. What stands out to you most about the way this situation unfolded? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.